Hey guys, it's Mr. Anderson. I just want to get on real quick and show you how to convert documents into Word documents and upload documents into Canvas. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share my screen with you real quick. All right, and you should be able to see my screen now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Google Chrome. Always please go into Google Chrome when you use Canvas because it is very important. Canvas is Google based, and so it's important to have a Google based web browser. So let's go into ClassLink. So I'm going to go to my ClassLink and I'm going to sign into Canvas. So I'm going to go to Canvas SAML, click Canvas, and I'm going to log in. Now my Canvas right here, I have my course shells. So I'm going to click into history. After that, I'm going to click on student view just so my screen looks like what your screen would look like. And so I'm going to use this pop print right here. Of course, I'm going to check my to-do list first and foremost. These are just all the things that I need to do. Some of the assignments will be listed here. For example, this has a rocket ship. This is the assignment 1, module 1 pre-assessment. So this is a quiz actually. It has a rocket ship. That's a quiz. It has a piece of paper and a pencil. That is an assignment that is due. And if it just has a little bullhorn right here, these are all course announcements. So I'm going to go into my modules. So I'm going to click the modules paw print, or I can use the modules tab over here. I'm just going to click the module paw print, and that's going to take me to modules. Now, what I'm going to do is, you guys have a module 1 checklist right here. That's an assignment that I see that's due right now. So I'm going to go into module 1 checklist and see what it is. It says, when instructed on page 3 of the Welcome to United States History, press print, save as PDF, and module 1 checklist. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and then we have to resubmit it back into Canvas. So here's what I need to do. So now that I know what I've got to do, I'm going to go back into modules. I'm going to go into Welcome to United States History. So now that I'm in Welcome to United States History, of course, I'm going to begin this. I'm going to go through all the page. I'm going to read everything on the page, but then that's for you guys to do in your spare time. Or actually in your school time, not your spare time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, of course, read all of this. And then I'm going to go over here. Oh, I see the word checklist. I know that I need to do something with it, but I'm not through the whole entire assignment yet. So I'm just going to use these red arrows and go through until I see page 4. Okay. So now, boom, there it is. Assignment. It says print the module 1 checklist. Well, I know where it's at, but I'm going to have to go back over here. I know most of you don't have a printer at home, so that's why we're trying to do it this way so that you can save this checklist. That way you can stay on track. Now, this checklist just has your times that you would need to use to schedule out a lesson. So, for example, economics and slavery is going to take 135 minutes. So that would take us 2 or 3 days in school to cover. So it should take you 2 or 3 days at home to learn and cover. That way you're not rushing for Friday night at 5 o'clock to get all these lessons done that are due Friday night at 11:59 p.m. So anyways, I'm going to go down to print, press print, and then this pop-up should happen. And your pop-up should say destination beside it. And you should change your print destination from Microsoft OneNote or printer to where it says save as PDF. You're going to click save. And then that's going to take you to your file explorer. Now, what I did was I just made a folder in my Documents tab in my File Explorer. And so I just was able to look at the File Explorer and I was able to save it into documents. So you're going to name this, Module 1 Checklist, and you're just going to save it into your Documents tab. So now that you have it saved, let's go back to modules. We're going to go back to our Module 1 Checklist assignment. I'm going to press Submit Assignment because I have it saved to my computer. Where it says choose file, I'm going to have to choose a file on my computer. So press where it says choose file. Now that it says choose file, we're going to go to wherever we saved our checklist at. And so I saved my checklist right here. If you saved it in your history folder, for example, you can click in that history folder too and check your module 1 checklist. So I'm going to open the checklist. And then boom, it says it right there, module 1 checklist PDF. That's how I know that my document has been uploaded into this module 1 checklist assignment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to press submit assignment. And then you should get the screen that has confetti on it that says, yeah, you submitted it, right? So that's how you submit your module 1 checklist. And that's how you would be able to upload assignments into Canvas generally. If you have any questions, feel free to call me. I'm here at the school. Feel free to reach out to me. Of course, message me using your inbox feature on Canvas or send me an email. My email is on the home page and it's right there under the communication tab. Thank you so much. Please have a good day, and please let me know if you have any further questions. And that is all that I had for you. Once again, if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm only here to help you. Thanks. Have a good day.